Hi guys, it's BellaGemaNails, and today I'm going to be embellishing this Sam Edelman bag. I'll be showing you the details before I get started. I'll start with the measurements. Across, it's 19.5 inches. The base of the bag is 14 inches. The depth of the bag is 5 inches. It is large, it is spacious, it is not real leather. And you can see the inside there. You can fit quite a bit. There is a very large zipper compartment alongside here, and it says, Sam loves you, right across there. Now, this comes with straps, as you can see here, and this bag retails for $148. I will be linking a site where you can get it for less. I do not recommend paying full retail costs for this. When I received it, I was actually disappointed in the quality. Sam Edelman, you can do better. The quality leaves much to be desired, actually. I may not know much, but I do know craftsmanship and I know quality, and both things are lacking in this bag. However, if you can get it for the sale price of $40, then it is worth the purchase, and you can embellish it if you choose or wear it as is. It'd be a good book bag if it stands the test of time. So if you want to learn how to make this, just keep on watching. It'll go from this to this. Okay guys, so for this project we need a patch, and I'm going to be using this Fendi patch that I found on Amazon. It is not Fendi, but I did buy it on Amazon. I also bought this at Nordstrom. It is a feather Tasha belt, and it has rhinestones. These are not real, they're acrylic. However, this is going to look perfect with the project. Use any patches that you'd like, although I will be posting links below to all items. Remember, when working with E6000, you will want to wear a mask and work in a ventilated area. So this is an iron-on patch, but you're going to apply the adhesive, and if you're going to be using it on fabric, then you could just iron it on. So take your pointed nozzle glue and stick glue around the edges, and then put a heavy book so they can adhere properly. You're basically placing the belt over the patch like a bow, because this is going to be, of course, the focal point of the bag. Press down, place heavy objects, and let dry overnight. So the last step is adding the lips here, and I think that because this kind of looks like a face with the wacky hair here, adding the lips just kind of brings it all together. Okay guys, so this is the finished product, and you could see how everything just ties in together. It kind of looks like a Fendi face here, and then the wacky lips, and of course the hair or the tiara with the bangs here. I really love how it turned out. It really gave this bag a new lease on life. And in the end, that's what it's about. You could always dress up your bags and reinvent a new one. So if you like this video, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up or pop a comment below. If you're not yet subscribed, please do so down below as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.